Before importing a scan appliance, have the original dataset open in front of you. Select File, Import Scan Appliance from the drop-down list. Navigate on your computer to the location of the DICOMs for the scan appliance. Select the folder containing the DICOMs and press the OK button. Limit the field of view in the relevant views to the scan appliance. The software now opens a window displaying 4 relevant views. The top left view are the markers in the patient scan. The top right view are the markers in the scan appliance. The bottom left view is the scan appliance itself, and the bottom right view is the merge of the markers for the patient scan and the scan appliance. We're able to toggle the markers on and off by pressing the patient markers and the scan appliance marker buttons. We can see the markers disappearing and reappearing in the bottom right view. In most situations, as in this situation, the markers align, and we could go ahead and press the OK button to load the scan appliance. If the markers do not align, the user should try to make the markers clearer for the software, first by raising the density threshold or by identifying the markers for the software. The markers can be identified by selecting the Select Markers icon and then holding down the Shift key and left-clicking to place dots on the markers. The same dot should be placed in the views showing the markers for the scan appliance and the markers for the patient's view. This will identify for the software the exact location of the markers. Once again, this only needs to be done if the markers in the bottom right view do not coincide. The Update button can be pressed to update the bottom right view and see if after identifying the markers, they now coincide. The scan appliance can also be toggled on and off by pressing the scan appliance button. Once the markers coincide, press the OK button to load the scan appliance into the CT scan. Double-clicking the scan appliance will automatically open the Surfaces panel. We can see that the scan appliance now appears in the Surfaces panel as an imported surface. The color can be changed, the scan appliance can be hidden, and an outline of the scan appliance can be viewed in the 2D view by checking the Hint checkbox. In addition, opening the Model Alignment panel will allow the user to adjust the position of the scan appliance manually by pressing the Adjust Model Position Manually button. A widget now appears in the 3D view that allows us to move or rotate the scan appliance in any direction.